Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to hide Instagram following and follower list. So let's start it. First, open your Play Store and update Instagram. It's already updated. Just open your Instagram and click on profile icon and click on three-line menu. Scroll down actually there is no option hide Instagram follower and following list. Don't worry, I am going to show you another method to hide Instagram following and follower list. And click on private account. And click on private account. And click on switch to private. By drawing private account, you can hide your Instagram following and follower list and others. Thank you.